Gentleman style doesn't retire at 50. In fact, for the man who truly understands himself, this is when it begins to sharpen, to deepen, to evolve. You've spent decades building your character, your reputation, your wisdom. Now it's time your style reflects it. So pause for a second and ask yourself, are your clothes telling the world you're still in the game? Or are they whispering that you've given up? Because here's the truth. Stylish men over 50 don't try to look young. They look powerful. They don't chase trends. They command attention. They walk into a room and make younger men question everything they thought they knew about aging. This video is your roadmap. We're going deep into the 5 things sharp, confident, elegant men over 50 never wear, and what they wear instead to lead with presence, pride, and quiet authority. And I'll tell you right now, number 3 is the silent killer of style, and number 1 is what separates a man who fades from a man who leaves a legacy. So whether you're 50, 60, or pushing 70, don't miss this, because your best years, they're not behind you. They're standing right in front of you, waiting for you to show up like a man who knows who he is. Let's get into it. 1. Trendy graphic tees, the instant style killer for mature men. Look, we get it. You want to stay youthful, have some fun, and maybe even make a statement. But a graphic tee with a Marvel logo or some ironic joke on the front, that doesn't make you look young. It makes you look like you're trying to look young. And that's even worse. Stylish men over 50 understand one thing. Maturity has its own appeal. You've lived, you've earned your stripes, and your clothes should reflect that. A plain, well-fitted t-shirt in white, navy, or black says more than any logo ever could. What to wear instead? Invest in quality basics. A structured white crew-neck t-shirt, a slim-fit Henley, a polo in a muted tone. These pieces add strength and elegance, not teenage confusion. 2. Baggy, worn-out jeans. You're not in college anymore, and that's a good thing. You know the type. Stone-washed, saggy, faded to the point of no return. Maybe they're comfortable. Maybe they've been with you for decades, but they're not doing you any favors. Baggy jeans erase your shape and make you look sloppy. A stylish man over 50 never sacrifices form for comfort, because guess what? You can have both. What to wear instead? Dark wash jeans with a tailored, straight leg or slim fit. Not tight, just trim enough to show that you still care about your appearance. Pair them with loafers, boots, or minimalist sneakers for a sharp yet approachable look. 3. Running shoes with every outfit. Function does not equal fashion. This is one of the biggest style sins, and it's everywhere. You've seen it. Khakis, a dress shirt, and giant white running shoes straight out of a gym locker. Practical? Maybe. Stylish? Not even close. The shoes you wear tell people how much attention you pay to details. And stylish men over 50 know the right shoes don't just finish an outfit, they define it. What to wear instead? Leather loafers, Chelsea boots, brogues, even minimalist leather sneakers in white or navy if you're going casual. These show you care about the whole look, not just your step count. Comfort matters, but there's no excuse not to find comfort in style. A well-made shoe supports your feet and your image. 4. Loud, flashy accessories, because you've got nothing left to prove. Big logo belts, giant chains, trendy sunglasses with neon frames. These might be fun on TikTok, but on a grown man, it reads as desperate, like you're trying too hard to be seen. A stylish man over 50 doesn't need attention-grabbing pieces. He knows that subtlety is strength, and his accessories, they whisper class instead of shouting for validation. What to wear instead? A simple leather-strapped watch, matte cufflinks, a pair of tortoiseshell or black-frame sunglasses that complement your face shape. These are timeless, masculine, and quietly powerful. 5. Clothing that's good enough. The death of effort, cut in style. This is the sneakiest killer of all. The shirt you throw on because it's there. The pants you haven't updated in 10 years. The jacket that kind of fits. When you start settling, your style starts slipping. Stylish men over 50 don't wear clothes that are good enough. They choose pieces with purpose, with care, and most of all, with pride. What to wear instead? Try this. Go through your closet and remove anything that doesn't fit, flatter, or feel like you. Then start rebuilding with intent. A tailored blazer that sharpens your silhouette, a soft cashmere sweater that adds warmth and sophistication, a crisp Oxford shirt in white or light blue that never fails. Build a wardrobe that reflects who you are, not who you used to be. Bonus tip, style is also in the grooming. You can wear the sharpest blazer in the room, but if your hair is unkempt or your beard is scraggly, it falls flat. Style doesn't end at the collar, it includes how you groom yourself. A stylish man over 50 pays attention to the little things. Regular trims and a hairstyle that fits your face and age, a neat beard or clean shave, skincare that keeps your face healthy and hydrated, and yes, a signature scent. Subtle, masculine, unforgettable. These aren't luxuries. They're habits of men who respect themselves. Final words. This is your prime, not your decline. Let's clear something up. Being over 50 is not about stepping back. It's about stepping up with style, purpose, and pride. The world sees how you show up. When you carry yourself with dignity, dress with intention, and let go of trends that no longer serve you, people notice. More importantly, you notice. So ditch the loud logos, the oversized jeans, the good enough gear. Replace them with clothes that speak for you. Sharp, clean, classic, and strong. Because style over 50 isn't about turning heads. It's about holding them high. If you're ready to redefine how the world sees you, and how you see yourself, start today. Go into your closet and make one change. Just one. Swap out one tired piece for something timeless. Then another, and another. Subscribe for more content that's tailored to men who aren't fading, but rising with age. You've got decades of wisdom. It's time your wardrobe caught up. This isn't about chasing youth. This is about claiming your power.